Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a thank you page in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a custom thank you page for your website within just a few minutes. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. Once the WordPress site loads, locate the login area, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this login option will allow you to access your secure account. After clicking on the login button, you will see multiple options for signing in. In this tutorial, we will use the convenient method of signing in with Google. It is important to note that by choosing the Continue with Google option, you streamline the authentication process, as this method leverages the security and convenience of your Google account. Make sure that you use the account linked to your WordPress installation. Once you have selected Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you wish to use. Go ahead and select your preferred account from the list. This process not only makes logging in easier, but also integrates your Google account with WordPress for smoother access in future sessions. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here you will see a section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, look for the option that says Edit Site. This option is found on the right side of the Quick Links area and serves as your gateway to customizing your website. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to the page editor where you have full control over your site's content and design. Now that you are in the site editor, find the Pages section. This option is designed to display all the pages you have created, along with options to modify existing pages and add new ones. Within the Pages section, select the option to add a new page. This action initiates the process of creating a brand new page on your website. When the new page interface appears, you will need to provide a title for your page. Here, enter a clear and descriptive title such as Thank You Page. Choosing a straightforward title ensures that not only will you recognize the page later, but visitors to your site might also benefit from the clarity of its purpose. With your page title in place, click on the Create Draft button to save your new page as a draft. Saving your work as a draft is a useful step, as it allows you to make all necessary design changes without immediately publishing the unfinished page to the public. It gives you the flexibility to fine-tune your content and design before any visitor sees the page. Now comes the creative part. Edit and design your thank you page according to your specific needs. Customize the layout, add text, images or links, and ensure the page reflects the tone and branding of your website. Take your time during this stage and consider your visitor's experience on your thank you page. Once you are satisfied with how the page looks, the final step is to publish it. Click on the Publish option to make your thank you page live. By publishing, you share your creation with the world, allowing visitors to see your thoughtful message after they have engaged with your content. This completes the entire process of creating a thank you page in WordPress. Following these clear instructions, you will quickly be able to add a professional and personalized thank you page to your site. Enjoy customizing your WordPress website with this new addition.